Neymar publishes WhatsApp chats with teammates without permission to show Brazil unity. Neymar's Brazil crash out of the World Cup after a penalty shootout drama against Croatia on Friday. Brazil star Neymar has shared a series of emotional interactions that he had with his teammates on WhatsApp after several reports claimed that all was not right in the team. Brazil crash out of the World Cup after a penalty shootout drama against Croatia on Friday. After a goal-less 90 minutes, Neymar looked to have kept Brazil's hope of a sixth World Cup title alive by starting and finishing a brilliant move in extra time to equal Pele's international scoring record of 77 goals for the country. But Croatia dragged themselves back into the game as Bruno Petkovic popped up to make it 1-0. Croatia prevailed 4-2 in the penalty shootout thereafter. The PSG forward message in his club teammates Marquinhos, the screenshots of which he shared on Instagram stories, who had missed a crucial spot kick in the defeat. How are you? I'm here to tell you I'm your friend. One penalty won't change how I feel about you. I am always with you and you know that, Neymar wrote.